from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining us today. I'm here with Bentley's 200 Legacy Navigator. Really great option for someone looking to fit a nice group of people on a boat. This is a matte black finish, really new to the industry, looks really sharp. The black rails, and we're going to match it with a rich tan interior. Boat's a really sharp look. Why don't you come on aboard and take a look at what this boat has to offer. So as I mentioned, we do have a plank style flooring here in the tan. It looks really nice. We have the tan seats. We notice we have some speakers under the front seats. But the important pieces here as we go back to the boat, here we go. So, it's really nice helm seats. These are high backs that are comfortable. They do recline a little bit. So if you want to get comfortable on this boat as the captain or the co-captain, really nice comfort features there. The dash features a Suzuki gauge package, a Helix 5, Humminbird fish finder, depth finder, and a JBL stereo system, as well as a throttle from Suzuki where we can pair this boat with a 9.9 all the way up to 115 horsepower Suzuki outboard. So lots of motor options. So whether you're looking to cruise, to go fast, pull a tube, great options here from our friends at Bentley. As we continue to go towards the back of the boat, you do notice kind of a cool feature here under the seat. Seats open nicely. We do have a cooler function right here under this seat. So you can fill it with ice, drinks, whatever you want. It stays out of the way, gives you more floor space to work with and more space for everyone to enjoy their day on the lake. We also have a nice standard top, easy to open, easy to use, really nice here from Bentley. With everything we sell at Charles Mill Marina, we do offer a mooring cover, safety package, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, and an on-water lesson included in the price. We're also going to take care of your first tank of gas and handle all of your registration and titling needs in-house. If you think this could be the boat for you, give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951 or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.